Yes, this bucket is full of all of my Cocokind goodies. Let's rank them all out of 10 because I love them so much and I want to share them with you. I don't know how long this is going to take because as you just saw, that bucket is full and overflowing of Cocokind. So I'm just going to take out what I see. Daily SPF. I'm going to give this 10 out of 10. I love it. I wonder how many 10s I'm going to give. Probably a lot. Ooh, texture smoothing cream, 100 out of 10. Electrolyte water cream. I think I have so many of these in here. I have 2 in this bucket, and then I know that I have more in various bags of mine. 100 out of 10 for the electrolyte water cream. 1,000 out of 10 for the calming magnesium mist. Revitalizing eye cream, 10 out of 10. I feel like all of my go-tos are on top. Maybe I should dig deeper for a second. AHA Jelly Cleanser. I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10. Only because I don't tend to reach for it, which means that I know it's not a 10 out of 10 when I don't think about reaching for it. Chlorophyll Discoloration Serum, again, 8 out of 10. I do use it, but I will admit it's not one of my go-tos for Cocokind. I have 2 of the Silk SPFs in here, 8 out of 10, because I love some SPF. Ooh, this is a great one. Again, this is one where I have it in all different in all different bags in areas of my life. This is the Resurrection Polypeptide Cream. It's so thick and so creamy, so moisturizing. I'm obsessed. I forgot to rate it. 100 out of 10. Ooh, I love these. These are reusable eye masks. 100 out of 10 for the reason that they literally stay in place. They don't slide down my face. That's probably my biggest pet peeve with eye masks, and these ones stay in place. I like to pair them with the Peptide Fine Line Eye Gel. 10 out of 10. Ooh, there's boxes in here. I can't rate this because I haven't tried it. The turmeric illuminating solution. I'm going to say Saki body lotion. I'm not sure. The only reason I'm giving this one like a 6 out of 10 is it says fragrance free, but I can still smell it. I still smell something that I don't love. But in terms of moisturizing, yes, it works. This one is a great choice. Retinol body cream. I love using this. I will say a little goes a long way, so apply as you go along with it. I made the mistake the first time of really getting ready with a lot of body cream, and it was a lot of body cream. This is another one where I have numerous containers. This is a ceramide barrier serum, 100 out of 10. Vitamin C glow serum. I'm going to do 8 out of 10. It's a great serum. I just don't think to reach for it all the time. Postbiotic acne serum. I don't think I've tried this, even though it's in here. I honestly don't remember trying it. Oh, here's another ceramide barrier serum. Here's another vitamin C serum. Here's another chlorophyll serum. Beginner retinol gel. I love using this when I'm really just trying to target my forehead or what are they called? Crow's feet on the sides of your eyes. Oh, another ceramide barrier serum. I told you. Oh, and another vitamin C glow serum. Guys, I am like loaded up here. Ooh, this is so pretty and so underrated. This is a highlighter. I mean, look at that. I haven't tried this shade yet. I'm actually wondering, I think the shade that I do use regularly is in my makeup bag, which I don't have with me right now. I'm going to do 9 out of 10. Another texture smoothing cream, another resurrection polypeptide cream, another resurrection poly. I told you, that's why I rated those so high. And there's an unopened texture smoothing cream too. Let's see. Last but not least, the ceramide body oil stick. I love this. It is so smoothing. It looks like it's in a deodorant shaped tube, but you can use this and apply it. I mean, I have a sweatshirt on right now. I can't really apply it, but it's so smooth and so soft. I absolutely love it. All right, that is my Cocokind container of products and my ratings. I will link them all in the video description so you can check them out. Thank you in advance for using my links because it helps me to continue making videos like this for you.